Now right here is your control panel. So it's basic stuff that all cars have now. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android. So you can hook this up through Bluetooth just to play music. Or if you want to have your navigation here, you do have to hook up your iPhone, for example, if you have one, with a USB cable directly to your iPhone. Then you can go on and have your navigation displayed here. Other than that, right here, you're not gonna see that much stuff. Just on the side, you're gonna have this right here for your wipers. And obviously you got this right here, so you can actually drive. On the top, you just have your settings for your lights. And before I forget, see this right here? This is actually because your car will turn off when you just stop at the lights. So you could turn this off, so that way your car does not turn off when you're at the lights and you hit the brakes, because some people just don't like that. For me, it's the same thing. As soon as you just let go of your brake and you start to accelerate, it just turns on right away. So it's not really a problem, but not everybody likes it. This is just to unlock the back. This doesn't mean that it's automatically going down or up. It just unlocks it. And this right here is for your lane. So if you turn this on, basically if you're going on the road and your car notices that you're drifting off to the right or to the left, it's gonna start beeping. It's gonna tell you. So that's your basics right here. Obviously here we have a ton of customization that we can do inside our settings. We can click on our camera and check out the back. Right here we got this storage. It's really small. You can barely fit anything there. Maybe phones. That's about it. Maybe your wallet. Inside here you've got more storage. Close that up. Now to turn off your car, all you have to do is just press this. And once you press this, that's it. You're done. It's just automatically gonna turn off later. I'm gonna show you right here. There's a mirror on the other side for passenger. Also a mirror. Close that up. Now from the front, if I look to the back, that's how it looks like. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys in the middle. So this is the middle seat of the front. If you lift this up, there's some additional storage. So that's actually extremely useful. And of course, I also forgot the front. Yeah, you've got USB, and right here, you got your standard connection right in there. Would also like to note that don't mind these. These are nothing. That's if you ordered more stuff to come with your car, then there would be something there or there or there, and there would be something here as well. That's if you customize your car and got a better model, or you just added stuff to your car. So again, this was a view from the passenger side. Now the cameras will be located right here. You will notice these. And on the back, you're gonna notice this as well. If you got the trailering package, you will get these connections. Plus, you're also gonna get the hitch. So that's how the hitch looks like from the trailering package. So to unlock it, you press twice. It unlocks. And we can just go ahead and manually push it down. And it goes down really, really easily. It's got the assist. Now right here, it looks really dark. That's because we got the cover on it. But you're gonna notice that we did add a spray to it as well. So again, the spray is pretty important. That's a must, really. And that's how the spray looks like. It's not gonna be the most pretty thing in the world, but it is to protect your car, and you will need it. Most people will need it. But anyways, let's just put this up. So to put it up, all you have to do is just push it up, and then it just locks. So if I open this up, this is where your gas goes. You can see some instructions there. Let's just close this up. So again, this is how the trifold looks like. It's a pretty neat one. And again, we got this straight from them. Just gonna highlight the step a little bit because it is something that looks really good, and it is useful if you're maybe around 5 foot. This would be useful for this type of truck. Would also like to note that the handbrake is actually this button right here. So if you are parking on something steep, go ahead and use that. So that's right here on your driver's side. It would be on the left-hand side, just beside these guys, well, underneath these guys. Now to open up the hood of this Chevy, down here below, just below this button, you will notice this down here. All you have to do is just go like so. You're gonna hear a pop. You're gonna notice that this just opened up. All you have to do is just put your hand in. You're gonna feel something that you have to press, well, kind of swivel to the right-hand side, and that unlocks it. So what I was talking about is this. and I was just pressing this like so. So I was doing this action to unlock this, and that actually makes this unlock like so. So that's what that does. All right, so the engine and everything else, you guys can have a quick glance at it. So here you go. So it's pretty easy to access right here, our battery, which is very important. So I've seen some models of cars where it's almost impossible, which makes absolutely no sense. And really there's not that much to show you, but here you go. And to close this, you just bring it down. So I do want to note that you do have to kind of slam this in order to lock it up, or else you're just gonna be pushing up and down a lot. Now here is the back of the truck, and that's it. There's really not much more to show you. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.